Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can log out from your eFootball 25 account. So actually there is no dedicated option to log out from your account on eFootball 2025. So if you want to log out, then you can follow some specific method that all users follow. So first you have to go to settings, then search for apps, then go to manage apps. Now from here you have to find the eFootball 25, where you have to click on it and you can find the clear data option, then with a trash icon. So you have to simply click on clear data, so it will delete all the data that associated with the app, and you can find your app start from very beginning. So it will like the very latest and it will start processing from the beginning, and you can find actually your old account or existed account, and you can start it from very beginning. Now from here you can go with another option, that is actually you can uninstall your game and reinstall it to get the beginning process, and you can open a new account, and you actually can't find the old account that you have or you had or you want to log out from. So from here you have to go to the Play Store and you can just reinstall it after uninstall eFootball 25 from your device. Now there's another thing, that you can switch between accounts in eFootball 25 instead of logout. For that you must need to link with the Google Play or Konami ID. If you have multiple accounts, then make sure that you have linked both of those ID, and you can switch between those ID using that credentials. Like it could be your Konami ID credentials or it could be your Google Play. You just need to simply click on data transfer in the login screen. You can find at the bottom right side, you can find the three line button, and you can simply click on it and you can find data transfer, where you can transfer your data between your multiple accounts. Now here is the last method that you can follow if you want to log out or if you want to lose your access of your current account on eFootball 25. So first you have to simply click on extras. After that you can find this support button here. You have to simply click on support. Now from here you can find link data, which you can use to transfer data between multiple accounts that can help you. So you can find if your account is linked or not. I prefer you to link your accounts. Now from here you can find delete user ID. You can simply click on delete user ID. So it will delete your current account from your eFootball 25. So you can actually create a new one, and that's kind of log out from your account. So but you can actually lose the access of your account, and you can also lose all of the progress that you have on this account. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.